Hello everyone. Absolute belter of a spring day today, so come out in the woods to finish off my wee project. I don't know if you watched the video from the last one, but basically I was trying to make a bucksaw, which was a huge amount of fun, but learned a lot of skills from that. So today's the day where I'm actually going to try and get the final article actually done, as well as a few other things. Planning on making a sort of raised bed down the bottom camp as well. And a wee spot of lunch. So I'm going off to get some wood just now, just to actually make the bucksaw. I'm not going to video me sawing, it's long enough and hard enough as it is, and I'm sure you've watched enough. I do apologise for the helicopter. There seems to be a helicopter buzzing about. He's been buzzing about for the last wee while, so he'll be here for as long as he wants to be. But stick with me, it'll be a bit of fun. Okay, so that's me got all the main components off it. So now it's a case of actually just doing some battening, just to get all the right bits to the right thickness. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to crack on and get the rest of them all done up to the same sort of level, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so now I've got all my components and I've measured up exactly what I'm needing to do next, or as good as I possibly can. Good thing about it, I'm not using tape measures, I'm not using anything in particular, it's basically just using my eye to actually get it right. So watch this space at the end to see whether it's actually worked or not. We'll give it a try. So with this I'm just doing it so that I've got notches to put in, and I'll need to make holes in the other bits. So I'll need to cut that down a bit, but that's the idea. Okay, so I'll do that with the other bit and get back to you. Okay, so now I've made the square on there, and now it's just a case of cutting it out. Which is quite a laborious job. Okay, again, not the most interesting thing to actually watch, so I said I'm just going to crack on and I'll see you in a wee bit. Well, I've been chasing to shelter with hailstones. How bizarre. I said it's actually quite warm today. But I said for some reason the hailstones have come on, and they've come on with a vengeance. So going to come up, I've just come up to the actual main camp itself. I'm just going to do a bit of work on here, just whittling away the fitting. It's not a million miles away. Not a million miles away, just there. Just got to get that closed off. Okay, so I'm just going to carry on what I was doing there, but I said just in the dry. One of these moments as well where you realise that you should have got firewood for lunch while it was dry, but I'm sure I'll be able to find enough. I've got decent enough tinder today as well, so okay, so as I said, I'm just going to sit here, get that hole finished off, and hopefully it's going to stop in a wee while, and once it does I'll get back down to the camp and finish it off. So there we go. So we've got the two top bits for the actual rope, or paracord, whatever I'm going to use, and have a wee look at it in a minute. So that's basically all the pieces actually done. I've just got to actually saw a wee bit in the end of there, just for the actual saw's location. So just going to go and do that just now. The actual hailstones and snow and rain and everything as well has actually stopped. It's starting to get sunny again. So typical Scotland. So we'll see how we go. Just going to head down just now. Okay, right, I'm calling that bread done. Let's have a wee look. Yep. Lunch is served. So, never tried it before, so see what it's like. Oh wow, that is absolutely amazing. I've actually been putting this stuff on it, and it's really, really nice. Chili and garlic salt. It's making a big difference. Really yummy. But unfortunately, the weather's turned. It was sort of meant to sort of later on, but it's obviously come in a little bit in the early side. But it is what it is. Just going to sit here and chill out for a wee bit. Got the back saw done. Can I get it? Ta-da! So it's worked out perfectly well. Really happy with it. Really happy with it. Proper tension, everything as well. Actually been down cutting a bit of wood. But I'm having a little bit of a problem with the camera today. On battery, it keeps running out for some bizarre reason. So I've not managed to video all of it. But I'll hopefully maybe get a wee bit done before I actually go. But it's actually really nice just being back at camp. It's been great being away wild camping and all that sort of things as well, but the actual main camp that I sort of tend to do overnighters in, such a lovely place, really cool, really good woods, and there's just nothing better than that smell of wood smoke. So just going to finish off my bacon and bannock, which is obviously going to be my new favourite from now on. Bacon and bannock and a bit of coffee, and we'll catch up with you just before I'm packing up camp. Okay, so see you in a wee bit before you can't see me because of the smoke anyway. Cheers! So here goes its first maiden cut on the sawing horse. Happy with that, happy with that. Real cool piece of kit. One of these sort of things where, you know, I said I was looking at one for a wee while and they're about £80 online. Whereas this has cost me, I think it was £1.70 for the actual blade itself. Bit of cordage and a bit of time. So as I said, you can achieve anything you want. Achieve anything you want. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Just a wee bit of a short video this time more than anything. It was good fun though, really enjoyed it. It's just, as I said, nice getting back to camp for a wee while. So on to the next one. Some big plans for the next few weeks over the maybe a couple of overnighters, etc. So I'm sure going to be really good fun. Try and expand myself, push myself and try and do other things as well. Wee bit of maintenance to actually do in the camp. Got a wee bit of duff to put on the actual roof. Etc. So I'm going to finish off that for the rest of the day, and we'll see you next time. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. As I said, if you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care then, bye bye.